The Adventures of Tim and the Magical Dictionary. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Tim. Tim was to learn English but found it very hard. One day, while exploring his grandfather's attic, he discovered a dusty old dictionary. It had golden edges and shimmered when Tim touched it. As he opened the dictionary, a tiny fairy appeared and said, "Hello, team. I am Lexie, the magical word fairy. This dictionary can teach you English in the most fun way, but you must go on adventures to learn new words." Tim was excited. "Let's go," he said. Lexie took to the magical forest filled with colorful trees. "Learn these words to cross the forest," Lexi said. "Green, the color of leaves. Blue, like the sky. Yellow, the sun's color." Tim repeated the words as they walked. Green, blue, yellow. Suddenly the trees glowed, creating a path to the other side. Next, they reached a town where people only spoke in opposites. A man said, "Big." Tim had to say, "A small." Another woman said, "Hot." Tim replied, "Cold." Lexi explained, "Opposites help you understand more words." Tim laughed as he learned pairs like happy sad, day night, and fast slow. Finally, Lexi took him to a mountain to climb it. Tim had to act outwards. Run. He ran up a slope. Jump. He leaped over the rock. Dance. He twirled around a tree. By the time Tim reached the top, he was tired but happy. Back home, Tim realized he had learned many new words. Lexi smiled. Learning English can be magical if you make it fun. Tim promised to keep exploring words every day, and Lexi disappeared into the dictionary, waiting for their next adventure.